Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch has enough power and a steady phone link. This prevents resets or missed changes. Once done, open the Shark Watch app or the device settings on the watch itself. You're looking for sound, alarm, hourly chime, or system alerts. Those are the controls that trigger the hourly beep. Make sure you tap into the correct submenu, otherwise you'll change unrelated alarms. This step prepares the device so the disabling action will stick. You now disable the chime by toggling the hourly chime off or selecting off from the list. That directly stops the beep. If the option is missing, lower the system volume or enable Do Not Disturb for scheduled hours, because those routes mute system beeps. Once you make the change, explicitly save or confirm, then wait 10 to 15 seconds so the watch writes the new setting. Make sure sync completes if you use the phone app. Otherwise, the watch reverts to the old behavior. Finish up by restarting the watch so the new configuration takes effect across the system. Once it boots, test either by waiting an hour or using the app's chime test to confirm silence. If the beep persists, make sure firmware is current, then reset sound settings to defaults and repeat the off steps. Sometimes corrupted settings block changes. If that still fails, perform a factory reset as a last recourse, but back up any data first so you don't lose saved workouts or contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.